Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to meet Stacey. Hi Stacey.
Hello.
And you're a full-timer.
hmm
And how long have you been on the road?
So August of this year will be 4 years.
4 years,
Yeah,
boy, that's a long time
yeah,
anymore.
yeah.
Yeah. And why did you decide to become a nomad?
So I had this dream probably for 15 years, maybe more. The timing wasn't right. Looking back, I really wish I'd started it sooner, but it was just the right time finally, and I'm so glad because I regret not doing it sooner.
Oh, uh-huh.
Yeah.
Well, so tell us about Buddhist Boondockers. That's an organization you're starting?
Yes, actually, it's been going on now for 3 years. When I had the idea of becoming a nomad, I also had the idea of combining it with Buddhism. So, that was part of the whole process.
So do you have a website or something?
Yes,
Where you
Buddhist Boondockers,
Okay.
but the most up-to-date information is definitely on Facebook and Instagram, both under the name of Buddhist Boondockers.
Okay. So have you been in your Ford Transit this whole time?
The whole time.
The whole time?
The
Oh,
whole time.
You chose well in the beginning. Well, would it be okay if we took a look around inside?
Absolutely.
All right,
Yeah,
let's
for
do
sure.
that.
So it's a 2019. I got it in 2020. It was slightly used. There was a guy in LA that was affordable. I wanted a kind of open design.
It's amazing. It's like you've really accomplished your goal of having an open feeling.
Yeah, I really wanted the open feeling. So obviously my bed, I did, as an afterthought, cut out the paneling and the insulation because it was just a little bit too tight.
Yeah.
Now it's perfect. I have the table that pulls all the way out.
Oh my.
So it's my workspace and, where I eat and whatnot.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, that's really convenient. This comes up. So this is removable.
Right.
And this is actually removable. So I can sit across from somebody.
Oh.
And if it's cold out or raining and I don't want to go to the back to get something, I could get to the garage through here. So, and then I have a fan above the bed. I also have one in the bathroom, and shower.
And do you use the shower?
I do use the shower when I'm not near a Planet Fitness. So right now I don't need to use it because there's a Planet Fitness in Flagstaff, but yes, in the wintertime I use it. And I also made this, can reach, pretty far outside.
Nice.
So I can, rinse off or shower. Right now I'm just using a cassette toilet, but actually I have a diverter toilet coming today. So that's an upgrade for me. Originally I had a refrigerator up to here, and then I thought, it's too much space. I don't need that much refrigeration space. So I got rid of the big refrigerator and put in a drawer, which is really helpful because it's jam-packed.
Yeah.
I don't know how I would have lived without this drawer.
Yeah, that's really, really nice.
Yeah, really important. And then I have, these upper cupboards, cabinets, stores food. And then this one I keep my clothes, whatever season I'm in. So this also is storage. This is kind of storage down here that, I could grab quickly. It's usually extra food. I do have a Chinese diesel heater, which I'm not using at the moment because it's hot. And here's more storage under the sink, mostly for food and, pots. I have storage in here, which is like more things that I don't use that much. I don't have to get into all the time because I really don't like to have to grab my clothes from there. That's my memorial wall, or door, I should say. My people that have been close to me who have passed away, including my dogs. And then this is my more fun wall. So this is the cab. These are my curtains. They're blackout curtains, and they've got magnets. So when I need to shut them at night, it's private. And I have the windows in the back are tinted, and I have covers for the windows. So if I am really needing to be stealth, I can turn on all the lights and nobody would know I'm in here. I have the swivel passenger seat. Obviously I don't have the swivel driver's seat because the bathroom's in the way. I like it. I don't sit here that much, but it's nice if when people come to visit, they usually,
Yes.
this is my guest seat.
Right, you
So,
need that.
yeah, yeah. So this is my garage. I have the 21-gallon water tank with an accumulator. And I don't have like, I fill it right here. So I didn't want to put any extra holes in the van, just open the door and fill it up.
Mm-hmm.
And then this opening kind of tells me what level I'm at.
Sure.
So, you know, I'm maybe a third.
Right.
And then, so this is my battery system here. Sorry for, and there's my diesel for the Chinese diesel heater. Oh, that's my system.
Mm-hmm.
Not so beautiful, but it works great.
Yeah.
And
easy to get to, out of the way. That's nice.
Easy to get to, out of the way. And when I'm traveling, this is completely full. Completely, you can't even get a pin in there.
Your camp comes inside.
Right. So, and yeah, everything's outside where my camp is. And I also travel with a mobile gym. So I have a little trampoline. I have a weight bench. I have weights. So this just gets completely filled up. Plus I have my other winter clothes. I have a tent that also gets stored back here. So I'm trying to lighten my load, but you know, it's not easy.
No, it certainly is not. There's you know, we're out here to be comfortable.
Yeah.
And you have a hot water on demand.
I have a hot water on demand. I don't use it a ton, but you know, it's when I do shower, it's nice to have. I mean, I do shower. I mean, when I do shower in the van,
right,
it's nice to have.
Nice.
And then this is also, it's vented. You need to have a vent for the hot water.
Mm-hmm.
And people say you should have a vent for the batteries. My builder didn't seem to think so, but
do you have lithiums?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need.
I didn't start out with lithium. I started out with the
AGM?
No, worse.
Lead acid.
Yes.
Yeah, lead acid really do kind of need a vent.
Yeah.
Nice. Really nice. You've done and you built. You didn't build it, but you were the architect.
Yes.
You designed it.
Yes.
Really nice.
Yes. Thank you, Bob.
Really, really nice.
Thank you.
Good use of all your space.
Yeah. Yeah. You see the bed's a bit high, but you know, I just sleep in it. So it's not like, I didn't want a bed that was going to be taking up a ton of space in my.
And you need all this garage, you know?
I really do.
Yeah. When you set up an outside camp, that's bulky.
Yeah. Right. Exactly.
Very, very good. So for those out there who are interested in meditation and mindfulness as practices, tell us again how they can get hold of you.
They could reach me on Facebook, Buddhist Boondockers Facebook page, and I also have an Instagram.
Well, very good. Thank you so much. So folks, I'm sure you've got some really, really good ideas. This is a beautiful, beautiful van, and if you're interested in Buddhism and meditation, contact her at Buddhist Boondockers. So folks, if you got anything out of this video, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll talk to you later. Bye now.